Hey guys, welcome to the Ultimate Post Kit widget tutorial. In today's video, we'll be talking about the Snog Slider widget and show you how to customize it. To start, let's drag and drop the widget inside the page. The Snog Slider has a 1 1/4 post image as the background of the slider, which adds an aesthetic look to the slider. Also, you can see the pagination on the left side, while a content box with navigation controls is in the middle. Clicking on the navigation arrows puts the slider into transitions while bringing up the next posts to the front. That's how the slider is. On the controls on your left, you'll find a slider height and content width scroll bar at the top. You'll find a bunch of switchers below that let you show or hide certain elements from the slider, including title, category, text, etc. There are 2 fields here to customize the meta separator and the read more button text. Next is the query section. Here you can set your post limit as well as use the include field to show only the selected posts by their categories like this. Select terms, type in the category name and select it. Now the slider only shows posts from the selected category. Then you can use some sorting options right below. Next is the slider settings section. Here you can change some of the animation controls related to the slider. Let's turn off the autoplay for now. Alright, now we can move into the style tab to customize the appearance of the slider. Here, from the first section, you can select an overlay option such as the background and then pick a color setting for it. It can be a gradient and you just need to configure the colors. The changes are applied to the content box in the middle as you can see. Then you can go into the title section and make changes to the titles, like make the titles white in color. After that, customize the font style using the typography option. Next, go to the meta section and then change the text color and hover color for better interactivity. Then you can use the space between control to create distance between the meta. Let's zero the margin and then go for the typography option for font style customizations. Next, go into the category section and change the text color to white. Also make the background red in color. After that, customize the padding to adjust the background area. You can also go into the hover section and reverse the colors for hover effects. Back into the normal subsection. Let's customize the typography for the font styles. Take your time to make it awesome. Next, go inside the read more section and change the font color to white and customize the typography option. Then for the line below the button, change the line color and hover color. You can check how it looks and reacts. For the navigation arrows, you'll find 23 unique arrowhead icons you can pick from. Then just customize the arrow color and arrow background color. You can adjust the margin option to create distance between the arrows. Then go into the hover section and reverse the color order for the icon and background. Finally, go into the pagination section and change the color of the numbers. Also, let's customize the typography while we're at it. Then set a separate color for the active color option. Now just minimize the controls and check how the final interface looks. Awesome, isn't it? That's how we can create lots of unique layouts with the Snog Slider widget. That's all for now. Hope this video helped. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel to get updates on new tutorials and tips. Until then, stay safe and see you next time.